Hello friends. Welcome to our channel Entertainment with Knowledge. E with K. Today we are going to see what MS Excel pivot table is and how to use it. First, let's understand what pivot table is. A pivot table is a table of statistics that summarizes the data of a more extensive table. This summary might include sums, averages, or other statistics, which the pivot table groups together in a meaningful way. Pivot tables are a technique in data processing. They enable a person to arrange and rearrange statistics in order to draw attention to useful information. Pivot table can be created in few seconds. While creating pivot table, there should not be any blank column or row. Click and put the cursor in the data field. Go to Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Select the table. And choose where you want the pivot table report. New sheet या existing table? First you will get a blank table. Also you can see the pivot table field list. Fields are the names of column heading. Fields can be divided into 4 partitions. That are 1. Report filter. 2. Column labs. 3. Row labels. 4. Values. We can select any field and drag down in row partitions. Then it become the row headings. Same like, select another field and drag down in column. Then it becomes the column heading. In the values partition, only numbers can the drag down. We can change the fields as we want. Now we got the summarized data. If you want to know the details of any particular data, just double click on it. It will take you a new sheet immediate before your existing sheet. If you want to remove any field, drag and drop it back. You can customize the table also. Click on the pivot table, then you will get pivot table tools option. From here you can change the color and design. Now the color has changed. Also you can make it banded rows and column from this option. Grand total is also enable or disable from here as our requirements. Value field settings option is available for format cell. You can add currency symbols from here. This is the summarizes data of this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you like this video.